welcome. Welcome to SAT practice. So we are going to do some question about algebraic expression. So let's start with the first question. So here they ask me to evaluate this product. So I will have x squared plus 2 times x minus x cubed. So I distribute x squared. So here's going to be x cubed minus x to the 5. So the same base, I just add the exponent. This is exponent 1. And here again, I will have 2 times x, and so it's going to be 2 times x minus 2x cubed. Then what I do next, I combine like terms. The only like terms I have are those two. X cubed minus 2x cubed is minus x cubed minus x5 plus 2x. Then my choice will be this one, because here I just need to order my expression, and I will have the same answer. All right, next question. So here this is like order of operation. So I have minus 2, 3 minus x times 5 plus y minus 2 over x minus 7 plus 2 times 3 square. And I want to know what this equal to. So as you see here, we have this is one terms, this is one terms, this is another terms, and this is another terms. Those are independent, so I can work all of them at the same time. So I have minus 2 times 3 minus x. So here 5 minus 2 is 3 plus y over x minus 7 plus 2 times 3 squared is 9. Now I have minus 2 times, so 3 minus, so I cancel x, so I got 3 plus y minus 7 plus 18. Now I have minus 2 times, and I have 3, distribute the minus, minus 3 minus y minus 7 plus 18. So here I combine like terms, I got minus 2 times, so cancel out, so it's going to be minus y, and here plus 11. So I distribute the minus 2, so we get 2y minus 22. So E is my answer. Next, or remember A and B, where A times B is not 0, which means B is, we have A diamond B is A times B minus 1. So they ask me which one is true. So let's start with the first one. So if I have A diamond B is A B minus 1. If I have, and we know that multiplication is commutative, so this is the same thing as BA minus 1, which is B diamond A. So the first one is true. So the second one, A diamond A divided by A, so I have A diamond A divided by A is, so I have A times A minus 1, the whole thing divided by A. This is A square minus 1 divided by A. And this, I don't think it's going to be 0, because if I do 1 diamond 1 is 1 times 1 minus 1, which is 1 minus 1, which is 0. And this is not 0. So the second one is not true. A, so this is as A B minus 1. diamond C. So first one minus 1, so which is A, B, C minus C minus 1. So A minus 1, and here will be the same thing as the first time the second minus 1, which is A, B, C. We have C is A. One is not true. So the only answer is A. Now you need to just evaluate or simplify. So x plus half square minus 2x minus 4 square. So we know that this is the same thing as x plus half times x plus half minus 2x minus 4 times 2x minus 4. So this is going to be x squared plus x half, which is x over 2, plus x over 2. Now x over 2 plus 1/4, so x over 2 plus 1/4 minus, and here I will have 4x squared minus 8x, and I have minus 8x here, and plus 16. Now I combine like terms here, I got x squared, x half plus x half is just x, which is 2x over 2, then you simplify the 2. And here I distribute the minus, but sometimes I will combine like term. This is minus 16, so it's going to be minus 4x squared plus 16x minus 16. Now I just combine like terms, so x squared minus 4x squared is minus 3x squared. X plus 16x is 17x, and we have 1/4 minus 16. So here I make the common denominator, which is 4. So here it will be plus 1 over 4 minus 64 over 4, which is minus 3, 4. And this will be C. Next question. So we have x equal to y equal minus. So they asked y plus half minus 2 times 3. So what is y is minus 3, so it's going to be minus 3 square minus 2 minus minus 3 plus half minus 2 times 3, which is 6. So here it's 9 minus, and we have 2 minus minus 3 half plus minus 3 plus half, so is minus 6 plus 1 over 2 if I make the common denominator. So it's going to be 9 minus 2 minus, and here will be minus 5 half minus 6. So minus minus become positive, so we'll have 9 minus 2 plus 5 half minus 6. So I can just like simplify those two. So it's going to be 3 minus, and here it's common denominator. I will have 4 plus 5 over 2. So it's going to be 3 minus 9 over 2. The common denominator is 2, so it's going to be 6 minus 9 over 2, which is minus 3 half. So the answer is B. So here they ask me to evaluate this. So I have 4xy cube plus x cube minus y cube square. So here I distribute the exponent. I use the property of if I have a b to the power n, I just distribute. So it's going to be a n b n. So it's going to be 4x cube y cube. And here I'm going to distribute or FOIL if you want to use that word. So 4x cube y cube plus here I will have x cube. I will use that idea. I don't want to add, but I will make it square. You will see later on why. Because the form they give me here is in terms of is a power form, so I need to make sure that I will have a power at the end, but I will do another steps which is I'll show it to you. So now I have minus x cube y cube minus y cube x cube plus y cube square. Now I got 4x cube y cube plus x cube square minus 2x cube y cube plus y cube square. Terms x y cube plus y cube square. So let me show you now I have a plus 2 times b a plus b square. So if I choose this is my b b a. So here it will be expression. I can write it down in form of this one. So this is the same thing as a plus b is x cube. So we use for us to simplify this expression, make it look like simple in order for us to factor it. So all right, next question. B minus a over a. All right, so is minus 2/3. So I want to find out what is b minus a over a. So b minus a over a is the same thing as b over a minus a over a, which is b over a minus 1. I don't have b over a, but I can flip this. So b over a will be minus 3/2. So then I will have minus 3/2 minus 1. So common denominators, so minus 3 minus 2 over 2, so is minus 5/2. So the answer is A. Next question. So the operation star is defined for all no 0 x and y. So we have x star y is x over y. That's mean the first over the second. So now they ask me to find out this. So x minus 2 square star x is the first over the second. So I just need to FOIL the first. So a minus b squared is a squared minus twice ab plus b squared. So this is my a, this is my b. So it's going to be x squared minus 2 times 2, which is 4, a plus b squared, which is 4 over x. So here my a is x. Now I split the denominator for all terms, so they're going to be x squared over x, 4x over x plus 4 over x, so I cancel, simplify. So I got x minus 4 plus 4 over x first one. Next question. So here I just need to FOIL or distribute. So 2 plus square root of 7 times 4 minus square root of 7 times minus 2x. Leave this one at the end. You do the first one here. So 2 times 4 is 8 minus 2 square root of 7 plus 4 square root of 7 minus 7, the whole thing time minus 2x. So combine like terms. So 8 minus 7 is 1 plus 2 square root of 7. This was combine like terms times minus 2x. Now I distribute. So it's going to be minus 2x minus 4x square root of 7. So which the answer is C. Alright, next question. If the operation star define, we know that x and y they're not zero, so we have x star y is x y square. So what is the value of x star y star z? So I start with the first one, so the first one is going to be xy square star z. It's like I'm having a number star z. That means it's going to be that number times z square. So which means I will have xy square z square. Then I distribute. So it's going to be, I distribute this here. So it's going to be xy 4z square. Then I distribute the 4 here. So it's going to be x4 y4 z square. So B is the answer. Next question. If P equals z plus 1 over z and Q is equal to z minus 1 over z. So where z is a real number but not equal to 0. So now they ask me to what is the product. So P plus Q times P minus Q. So let me find out what is P plus Q first. So P plus Q, so I have 2z, so this is cancelled out. And what about P minus Q? So let me use it here. So P equals z plus 1 over z, Q equals z minus 1 over z. So if I subtract those two, so P minus Q, so the z cancel out and minus must become positive, so it's going to be 2 over z. So here in fact what do we have? We have 2z times 2 over z. So if I cancel the z, so it's going to be 2 times 2, which is 4, which is B. Next question. So if x squared plus y squared equal xy, so I have x squared plus y squared equal xy. Then what is x plus y to the power 4? So x plus y to the power 4. Alright, so don't try to avoid this. Try to use this idea. Look, we have x squared plus y squared is xy. So use this idea. X plus y to the power 4 is square square. So we know that x plus y square is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So this is exactly what I do here. It's going to be x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. You can't foil this, you're going to end up having the same thing because this is the same thing as x plus y times x plus y, and you're going to end up having this statement square. So we know that those two is equal to what? Is xy, so it's going to be xy plus 2xy square, so which is 3xy square. Then distribute the exponent on all the terms, so it's going to be 9x squared y squared, and this is C. Next question. So here we have uh, 2 plus x times 2 plus y minus 2 plus x minus 2 plus y. I just need to simplify here, so I distribute, so it's going to be 4 plus 2y plus 2x plus xy. Distribute the minus, minus 2 minus x minus 2 minus y. So 4 minus 2 is cancelled out because minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Alright, so 2y minus y is just y. 2x minus x is x plus xy. So E is my answer. Last question. So we have x squared plus y squared equals to AB. So x squared plus y squared equal to AB. And we have 2xy equal a squared plus b squared. So we know that a, b, and b, x, y are all positive. So that means I will have a, b, x, y positive, which means that I have a plus b is positive and x plus y is positive. And this is very important. Now, so if I do 2xy equal a squared plus b squared, and I add those two, I got x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And this is a perfect square, which is x plus y squared equal a plus b squared. Alright, if I take the square root both sides, I will have 2 answer x plus y equal a plus b, or I can have x plus minus x plus y is negative, which is not part of my answer. So this is, so I hope you got the idea. So thank you for watching the video and see you for the next coming